back to my channel. It's your girl Kylie Greatest. I'm back with another video. If you guys want to see how I take my hair from this to this, stay tuned. Today I'll be showing you how to achieve some quick, simple flexi rod heatless curls. Go ahead and take some flexi rods and also use some water as well. And then if you have mousse, that will work too. But I ran out of mousse, so we're gonna use water. These were in my hair already. I had did my flexi rods on the 2nd. I did my flexi rod August 2nd. Today is August 6th. But let's go ahead and get started. So I start by spraying my hair with water. Like, create a lock on the rod, and these are gonna go away from your face. So make sure you guys are twisting it. I want you guys to see me actually twisting the hair as I bring it around. That it's really gonna give them definition as well. So, and then at the end of my rod, I take it and I lock it so it can stay like that. But I always fold them because I don't want to be irritated with the rods. So I probably do like 4 to 5 rods over here. I don't know. If I want, it depends on like the volume of the curls that I want. Either if I want full or I want them to be small. So you get right. This is water in this bottle. And well, guys, some spritz in here. When you lock it at the top, start twisting it around. And just fold them like that, like lock them.